Hi, today we will be talking about the working of a vane pump, and I have drawn a vane pump exactly over here. So let's identify the main components of the vane pump. So this is the pump housing. This is the pump housing as it's marked over here, and we have the driving rotor which is marked in green. We have the vanes which are marked in red. We have a control ring at the center, and this is the inlet and this is the outlet. So these are the main components of a vane pump. So let's see how a vane pump works. So this is the center of the pump housing, as you can see over here, but you can see that this green color driving rotor is eccentrically placed from the center of the pump housing. See, this is somewhere the center of this driving rotor is coming. So this is actually this much distance away from the center of the pump housing. So it is eccentrically placed from the pump housing. It has a purpose to save. So we'll see it when the working is explained. And this driving rotor has got slots. You can see the black marked are the slots, and inside these slots we have these red colored vanes which are placed over here. And on the center, which is marked in black, we have the control ring which is helping these vanes to be held in its position, or this control ring is controlling the position of these vanes. So let's see how it works. As the driving rotor rotates, as it is eccentrically placed towards the pump housing, we can see that the distance of this vanes from the center of the driving rotor is different in each position. Here you can see this is the inlet and this is the outlet. So as it is rotating in clockwise direction, here the area is less and gradually it is increasing. So a suction is happening at this port, and the oil or the fluid is sucked from this port and is swept, or it is swept by the help of these vanes, which is trapped inside this container, and it is pressurized, and when it reaches this portion, gradually the area is reducing over here and the inlet port is open. So gradually the oil or the fluid which is trapped here will be pressurized and will be pushed outside to the outlet. That's how a vane pump actually works. And you can see how the vanes move due to this control ring placed over here. These vanes are supposed to slide to and fro through these slots inside the driving rotor. So due to the centrifugal force, you can see these vanes are connected towards the outer ring, or the pump housing outer portion, with the help of this control ring. So it will switch towards the outer portion, which traps the oil and sweeps it away towards the outlet port. And when it further rotates at this portion, we can see when it further rotates, you can see these slots will be more of a slot, or the more area of a slot will be produced over here, which will allow these vanes to move inside, and it will be controlled with the help of this control ring, which will be always in the center of this vane pump. That's how simply a vane pump works. And the advantage of the vane pump is that the vane pump is capable of giving a continuous flow compared towards the pulsating flow of a gear pump. And I hope you understand the vane pump. For more details on vane pump and also on automobile engineering and hydraulics technologies, you can visit my blog, which is www.techfreaksinfo.com. Thanks for listening.